Hey there, so it's Kaz here, and I'm running over just yet another SEO case study. So to kind of get right into the nitty gritty, this is an e-commerce store primarily focusing in the art and glass supply space. So quite niche in a sense, right? Keywords were generally relatively competitive. However, they did quite well overall. So they targeted 177 keywords. Out of all of those, we got about 95% of those keywords to the top 3 pages. And out of those, we've got just over half in the first page. So 88 keywords in the first page, and when you collect all the search volume and the traffic, it's quite extensive for these guys. They were definitely a dominating factor within their market because of the SEO work that we managed to do for them. 33 keywords in the top 3 search results, with having varying search volumes, obviously from high intent, low volume like 90 and 10, all the way up to higher volume keywords like 1,900, 3,600, some of the hundreds over here, even 1.3k keywords for these guys. So it's a really successful campaign overall. We increased their traffic by 61% and managed to ultimately make sure that they beat every single competitor in their dominating market. So past that point, they did really well, and some of the next things that we did for these guys was of course focusing on Facebook ads to push not only a good success rate on the organic front, but also a high success rate on the paid ads element as well. So if you'd like to make that your campaign, please feel free to reach out and we'll make it happen. Cheers.